So there are aspects, Secretary Madam, there are aspects of biotech included in the National A-Level Biology syllabus. There are numerous BSc special degree programs in biotech in both state and the private sector universities. There are many universities that offer biotech as a subject in the student undergraduate curriculum, and from 2018 onwards, BSc in Biosystems Technology is offered by 8 state universities. Furthermore, there are 7 master's degree programs offered by Colombo and Pereira universities, and numerous, I stress the word, numerous MPhils and PhD degrees are awarded locally to our candidates. And then what about all those good people who come back after training from international training, who come back home to serve the country? So all in all, we have a good human capacity pool. Okay, so what is the bioresource? What are the bioresources that are available to us to work with? So as we all know, Sri Lanka is one of 36 global biodiversity hotspots, and we have lots of plants and animals, a variety of them. Therefore, the efficient and intelligent use of these bioresources, together with biotech expertise that we have in the country, and the tools that they bring themselves, and also those that can be, brought from international the arena through collaboration, there is a great potential to drive sustainable economic growth via bio-entrepreneurship based on innovation. So, for example, yes, we are an island nation. So, if we just come out of this island nation mentality for a moment and look around, we have our marine resources and also generally aquatic resources, I would say, mostly untapped. And these provide offer vital potential raw material for this expected transition. And we have exemplary examples of such technological leapfrogging that have been set by China, India, and South Korea, from Asia that is. And therefore it is imperative, that's what we feel, that it is imperative for Sri Lanka to follow suit. So let's take a peek at the Indian biotech industry for a moment, our neighbor. And their industry comprises of over 5,000 companies, and 2023, their market value, the biotech market value was over US $92 billion, and it is projected, the projection of it is US $300 billion in 2030. So therefore, this association, we very good-heartedly and sincerely came together to form this association to accelerate the pace of development of the biotech sector and also the bio-industries in Sri Lanka. And I'm also very happy to say that this association will provide a symbiotic platform for all of the local stakeholders of biotechnology, namely the state, academia, researchers, our valuable industry partners, entrepreneurs, students, anybody else who is interested in biotechnology. So that is the reason why we are gathered here today at the first AGM of our association. I would like to take a minute to pay tribute to our pioneers. Professor Emeritus Eric Karunayaka, the founder director of the Institute of Biochemistry, Molecular Biology and Biotechnology, University of Colombo, invariably comes into most of our minds. I did have a small chat with him the other day, and I asked him how did it happen. And he told me that in the mid-1970s, he wasn't sure exactly when, but that he had read about these technologies and he was very keen to learn those and to apply those in Sri Lanka. So with the very strong support of his superior, Professor Stanley J. Sundara, he was able to go to visit Uppsala and stay there for a while and learn all these recombinant DNA technologies and molecular biology, come back, and he disseminated that knowledge to students, researchers, and also perhaps industry. Another gentleman that comes into our mind is Professor Emeritus Atul Pereira. Sir, it's a pleasure to have you with us today. He is from the Faculty of Agriculture, formerly of the Faculty of Agriculture, University of Pereira now. Sir told me this morning that he came back from his PhD in agricultural biotech, I think. I'm sorry if I make a mistake, sir, but in 1995 from the University of Birmingham, UK. And then he started incorporating this into the undergraduate curriculum, and the research started off, and of course industry. So it was agricultural biotech, but Sri Lanka fostered was medical biotechnology. And then furthermore, Professor Abdullah Pereira also started working on biosafety aspects of this country, and he was the chairperson of the committee that drew up the Biosafety Act of Sri Lanka, which is stuck for the past 10 years with the legal drafts. Now, on a personal note, I couldn't resist putting these two pictures and taking half a minute of your time to talk about my own personal experience. It was able to study in English, and Professor my peers were the local supervisors of my PhD thesis. There was an international collaboration also with the Institute of Paris. But between these two giants, we learned, there were over 10 PhDs, we were inducted into the world of biotechnology, and a lot of diagnostics were taught to us, and especially the Professor Preethi, sir. I hope you remember the hard times we had in the mid-80s to the 90s to make monoclonal antibodies, to produce monoclonal antibodies. Professor Preethi was a very fresh PhD from Oxford, and myself, and now just Professor Sunil Preman, sir, had the fortune of working with sir, and then doing a lot of other techniques as well, all biotechnology. So that was our, that was us, long time ago. But now the situation has changed, and we are so happy that we could bring all of you on one platform, so that there will be something positive that is happening, that will be happening hopefully in the country in the area of biotechnology. And further information on our association, the mission objectives, the organogram, and the strategy we have, to sort of reach these goals will be presented by Professor Roshan Pereira after he is inducted as the founder general president of our association. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for your attention.